Barley water has been in use around the world for centuries for various health benefits including weight loss. Now even scientific studies have confirmed those benefits of barley water. Let's understand why it reduces weight and what is the best way to consume it for maximum benefits. Barley is high fiber, low fat and high calorie grain. It also contains nutrients such as antioxidants, copper, chromium, magnesium, niacin, phosphorus and selenium. A cup of unstrained barley water made from hulled barley is about 700 calories. Only about 20 calories come from fats. It is this high ratio of calories to fat that helps in weight loss. This is a rare combination of dietary fiber, fat and calorie content ratio which no other grain has. For example, the same quantity of quinoa, brown rice or millet will have more fat and calories than barley and less fiber and trace minerals. 2 cups of barley water can make up for full meals without much fats. Since barley is rich in fiber, you feel full. Your digestive tract is filled with fiber, so even blood sugar levels are controlled to have less craving for more food. A study found that adults can significantly reduce their weight by adding barley water to their diet for 6 weeks. For maximum weight loss benefits, avoid commercial barley water which contains preservatives. Make it at home. You can buy either hulled or dehulled barley. Avoid pearl barley which lacks nutrients due to processing. Hulled barley is covered with inedible fibrous outer which is removed to get to hulled barley with all its nutrients. You can get to hulled barley at grocery shops. Add 1 cup of barley to 3 cups of water and cook it until the water boils and barley softens. Remove the pot from heat and let it cool to palatable temperature. Crush the barley in the water and mix it well to make a thick drink. Drink everything in the pot. This makes barley water thick, but you get more fiber and other nutrients. You will feel full and not required to eat anything else. You can add lemon and ginger juice and a pinch of black pepper for taste. Bottom line is, barley water is one of the best complete meals for healthy and quick weight loss. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.